Since a lot of you shown interest in the Rast Sound plugin that I reviewed, I wanted to see if they have any other gems, something that I could potentially check. And this naturalizer was the one that I found interesting as a concept. What it's supposed to do is turn your computer sounding whatever percussion that's basically repeating the same percussion sound over and over again, like so. Supposed to make it more natural by changing the spectral, transient, and color of the sound randomly in a set speed right here or detected by the threshold. Now, I like the speed setting more. Honestly, I just tested it briefly and I do like the result. Something like this is possibly something that bothers everybody. And I think that by just changing the timing of those notes, and you can do a lot of that in Ableton, just randomizing the velocity of the notes or randomizing the timing a tiny bit, I think that helps as well. But changing the timbre of the sound every time it plays, I think plays a big part of it. So what we can do with the plugin, change a percussion that sounds like this, to something that sounds like that. So I'm just gonna change the percussion into another one. Even a low one. It sounds good because, and check it out without it. So the intensity is at high because I wanted to show you the effect, at an extreme setting, which also exists like this, extreme. You see a really extreme setting. It's not something that we need. I'm not doing any sound design here. And to use it only for the intended purpose of not sounding so sterile, it really is really good. So this percussion, no intensity. And even with a tiny bit of that effect, look. Even if you can't hear the difference in between each one of those little punches, you hear the difference when I disable the plugin, because that's when the percussion becomes really, really sterile. So without it, just going to change the percussion sound. See, really sterile. So your ears and your brain can recognize that repetitive copy paste kind of nature of the sound, which is always completely identical. This is digital, so it's always the same ones and zeros. And if you just apply some randomness like this to it, yeah, really does give it some humanization, naturalization, so naturalizer. Compared to the other plugin of theirs that I reviewed, this one is much better. Now, of course, this one doesn't do that much processing to the master chain, trying to make it whatever loud. The purpose of it and what it does is great. So I would give this one really a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do. If you like the video, give it a like. If you hate my stupid glasses, say something in the comment section. And if you don't know what I'm talking about half the time, then just check out my course at mixingacademy.com. It's completely free thanks to 11.org. Now, if you want to have a complete manual spoken out to you in a video of this plugin where I explain every single parameter and what it does, then just comment in the comment section and I'll just make one. See you in the next video. Bye.